Hello, it's Dave here at Hammond Motorsports Dirt Car USA. Today, we're over here on the lathe making some parts. It's pretty cool. This Mazak, phenomenal piece. So much better than the last lathe I have. It just spits out parts left and right. Really nice having this equipment. You go and final. You can see a little red dot there dancing around. Goes up. Nice clean cut. The next tool comes in. Cut the part off. A little relief cut right there. A little chamfer cut. And then before you know it, see what kind of prize we get. There it is, another part. Pretty awesome. It's a hell of a good machine here. I love that Mazak.